Friend, welcome back to SpriteKit tutorial. This is Golden Thumb. We already tried or demonstrated, right? The using actions to move our sprite like that, right? We have 4 actions and each has 1 second duration. Okay, so in this video, we'll try to move our sprite manually and without using actions. Okay, so in the meanwhile, we'll introduce the very important function provided by SpriteKit update. Okay, this function will be called about 60 times each second. Okay, so that's coming out all the actions here. Actually, we can delete them. Okay, so we can focus on, let's run it, focus on the function update. Okay, so type update this function, right? There's a single parameter, current time. So to prove this one will be called multiple times each second, we can put a print here like that, right? And run it. There should be output a lot of these lines. Yeah, you see, and it's hard to see how many of them we have. Let's stop it. So we can put a count here, right? Like say count equals, let's start from 0, so we can print out the count every time we increase this value like that. Plus equal by 1. Okay, now let's see. Run it. Yeah, you see, roughly every second it's increased by 60. And let's stop it. SpriteKit also provide a cool feature to show FPS frames per second here. So let's bring up that one. So view dot show FPS, right, equals true. So it will put the FPS information at the bottom right corner. So if we run it, we can check that, right, to monitor the FPS. So if it slows down, so here, oh, it's 1 FPS for now. Yeah. Now let's try to move this guy, our sprite here. Okay, let's rename it to end. Okay, hold on command key, click rename, so you will find all the occurrence in whole project. So now end. Yeah, that's our sprite. Enter. Okay, because we want to modify its location, its position inside the update, right? For example, we increase its Y every frame, so we need to put this one in as a property of this class instead of the local variable inside this function. So now, yeah, we'll create that here, and inside this is initialization function did move to the view. We set its location. Let's put it here, 300 and Y0. Okay, so we'll move up this one because the direction, right, of this ant is pointing to upward. Okay, so at child, sure. So now let's try to, yeah, we don't need that now. So let's increase its update its location. So our end dot position, let's provide a CG point here. So x and y, x will keep the original x. So end dot position dot x. Yeah, we don't touch it because we'll move it upward, so we don't change x. Y will increase that, right? So this will be end dot position dot y plus a number. Let's put a 2 here, 2 points. Okay, let's try it, run it. Yeah, you see? Cool, right? So what about the FPS? Yes, 60. You see? Now it's a 60.0 FPS, frames per second. It means this function is called 60 times per second to update the frame. Okay, so it means in each frame, right, we increase the y of the end by 2 points. Now let's run it again. So in the future videos, we'll try to use touch in direction to change its direction. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.